Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 essential things you need to start baking. The first thing is measuring equipment. For you to get the right quantity of ingredients you need for your recipe, you will need measuring equipment like measuring cups, measuring spoons, and measuring scale. So whichever one you can afford. It's easier to get measuring cups and spoon, but if you can also afford to get a measuring scale, then go ahead. It will make things easier for you. The second thing is whisk. You should get yourself a nice sturdy whisk for incorporating air into cake batter and frostings when you are making them manually. So the third equipment is mixing bowl. So this is where your cake batter or your dough is prepared. There are different types of bowls, so you can get either stainless steel bowl or plastic bowl or a glass bowl. Whichever one you can afford, make sure you have a bowl. The next thing is spatula. This makes handling the batter very easy, but it is optional. You can use a wooden spoon or a normal spoon for it. Next is baking pans. This is where you put in your cake batter or your bread dough before putting it inside the oven. There are different kind and sizes and shapes of baking pans, so you can choose whichever one you want and then start with it. Last but not the least is the oven. This is very important because you need an oven to bake your cake, to bake your bread or your cookies, so it's very important. And there are different kinds of oven. You can go for the company ones, or you can just go for the locally made oven, the ones made here in Nigeria. They also work as well, so whichever one you can afford, go for it. So guys, that is basically it. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.